At Welding, we've basically learned how to structural weld, like build projects, weld structural pipe, and we've learned how to work together, build trailers, we build grills, we build almost anything out of metal you could think of.
As far as the industrial-based welding that we work on, they work, by the time they graduate, I take them down to take a welding test, AWS certification. That qualifies them to weld structural steel out in industry.
So I come from a family that's mechanically inclined, so I just thought it's just natural, working with my hands, The world needs welding, and the pay is pretty good too. Overall, the world needs welders, so might as well be one yourself.
In the future, I'm probably gonna go to welding straight out of high school. I get my certifications in school. I ain't gotta worry about that out of high school. Just go straight into the workforce, be making good money, and I'll be set for life.
Well, it gives them an alternative from going to a 4-year school and leave here with a certification and be able to go right in the workforce with no cost to them.
I think this is one of the best programs the school has to offer, and I appreciate the opportunity, here at West Orange.